Welcome back, guys. We're playing Scoring Hero. Well, this game is like soccer. I need to pick my hero. Do I look like him? No, I don't. No. Well, what sucks in this game? You can't make your own character. Maybe I'm gonna be this guy. The expression on his face. He looks like a monkey. Alright, let's go for Mexico. Let's do this shit. My first game. Fine. It's just too easy. I don't give a shit. I wanna go to a higher level. Okay. Oh, what a pass. What a pass. Good. Let's do this very quickly. Oh, let's go. Cabecita. Oh my god, I missed that. Shit, he blocked it. Go. Damn. I have some news for you guys too. Oh, watch this, watch this. Oh. Alright, fine. Okay. Okay. I got it. Oh my fucking god. Yeah! It was getting on my nerves. I swear. Ooh. Let's do this shit. G. Dot. Vega. Look at me. Oh, that's me right there, wearing the black jacket. My first club. Alright guys, the news is that this Monday, well after Sunday, which is my sister's birthday, my little sister. Not the newborn one, the other little sister. After her birthday, we're going to Knott's Berry Farm. And I remember last time I said I would be recording when we go to Knott's. But this time I probably will. It's just that I might drop my phone when I'm on a ride. I'm scared of that. But only if I had like a selfie stick or something. But I'm gonna just hold it with my hands as tightly as I can. Now let's get this started. And it's 4th of July on Monday. Shit. I'm not even supposed to do anything. Oh. Oh. Can I finish it? Wow, oh my. Yup. Yeet. Yeet. Go. Let's do this shit, motherfucker. Yeah. Run for that shit. I'll make you run if I want to. Yeah. What? Oh my god. If he's in the shit. Yeah. Oh. I scored that shit like a pro. What a double pass! Oh, shut my fucking dick. Oh, that double pass. Oh. Shut my dick. Or double pass my ass. I'm not even supposed to do anything, so don't say I suck. Cause I'm not even supposed to touch it or anything. What's this? Oh! Oh! Shit! I can't even know where to go. Oh my god, he could jump. Yeah! 2-2. It's not 2-2. Come on, blood. Oh my fucking god. Oh! What? Hell no. Rewind. Oh, what a fucking bullshit. It just went in there. Oh! I'm a fucking idiot. Pass. Okay, pass. Oh, run. Run. I'm too far. Yeah. Yeah. I'm a fucking retard. Shoot it. Smash that shit. What a smasher. One. Oh, we're winning. 1-1. What a tie. What the I'm going in, that's me. Yoink. Oh, what a curve. Yoink. Oh my god. I can't lose all those hearts. Yeet. Oh my fucking god. Bah. Yeah. Yeet. Corner the kick that shit. Come on, man. Oh, Sweden. Oh, free. It's free. It's a free kick. Oh my god, yeah, what's up, nigga? Ay, can't mess with this shit. Smack that ass. Keep on going. Let's do this shit. We can win. I can't screw this shit. I got him. Oh, beautiful. Get in there. Oh yeah. Finally, on the next video, I'm gonna fucking change my fucking hero. Understand? Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Bye, guys. see you on the main event on Knott's Bay Farm. Probably, maybe, yeah, fuck that. And I might record some fireworks. The news is I'm gonna go to Knott's Bay Farm. After that, I'm gonna go see fireworks and I might record those too.